In this quick video, we want to show you how to change your name on Facebook in 2022 and 2023 and maybe beyond that. So make sure you're logged into Facebook. On the upper right, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your logo that would have your picture. On the upper right of Facebook, used to be 3 lines, not any longer. So you click on that and it'll actually say account. Click it. Then what I want you to do from there is go to Settings and Privacy. Click it. And then from here, what I want you to do is click on Settings. And then that's going to give the name and everything. So what I want you to do is click Edit. I'm going to change my name to George Stevens. And if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again after 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization punctuations. Well, of course, that's obvious. They don't want people just to keep willy-nilly changing things. So what you want to do is you want to click Review Change. And then it's got your password. You'll have to enter your password if you don't have it. And save changes. And now it's done. George Stevens. Alright, thank you for watching.